Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the monitor's inputs and the Ps4 HDMI port. This avoids adapter surprises later. Once done, power both devices off and plug a high-speed HDMI cable into Ps4 HDMI OUT and into the monitor's HDMI in. Make sure the monitor is set to the correct input source immediately after powering on. You should hear the Ps4 beep and see the initial signal. If not, reseat the cable and confirm both power indicators are lit so the handshake can begin. Once the basic connection is live, you head into Ps4 settings to configure video output. Choose the resolution that matches the monitor to avoid scaling artifacts. Make sure the RGB range and chroma subsampling suit the display if colors or banding appear. This improves contrast and clarity. If you're using an HDMI to DVI or VGA adapter, you may need to select a supported refresh rate or enable specific output modes. Also, if capturing or streaming, disabling HDCP under system settings can be necessary, so check that option carefully. You finish by calibrating display and audio. Set HDR and black levels in system and in-game menus, and select audio output to the monitor or headset so sound routes correctly. Make small tweaks to brightness and sharpness to remove edge ringing. Finally, confirm controller pairing and test a game to validate input lag and visual fidelity. If you encounter no picture or intermittent signal, swap the HDMI cable or try a different input on the monitor. Rebooting the Ps4 and monitor often resolves HDMI handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.